Assets, liabilities, equity. Sounds like something my accountant should worry about, right? Wrong. If you've ever spent money, earned money, or even thought about money, you need to know this. Whether you run a billion-dollar company or just sell tea on the street, this one simple formula runs the world of money. Let's break it down with a simple example, a tea shop. Imagine you've opened your very own tea shop. To understand finance, you need to know three key things: assets, liabilities, and equity. Let's start with assets. Assets are everything you own that has value and helps you run your business. Cash in hand, asset. Tea leaves, milk, sugar, asset. Shiny new stove, definitely an asset. Moving to liabilities. Liabilities are what you owe to others. Money borrowed equals liability. Money owed to suppliers, liability. Finally, equity. Equity is the money you actually own after paying off debts. It's your real stake in the business. Now let's say you made a profit. Congratulations. When you make a profit, your assets increase, and so does your equity. But on the other hand, losses decrease your equity because you now have less money in the business. So the golden rule of finance is, assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. Every business, big or small, follows this rule. Congrats! Now you're a finance pro. Now that you know this, handling money is easy. Like, share, and comment below on what topic we should simplify next. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Thought Chain for ideas that shape success.